So we've got another new purchase today. This one is unexpected, meaning that I purchased it or I got it from a second-hand seller just before the opportunity to purchase the Black Bay 58 came up. So I didn't know I was gonna purchase two new watches for the new year, but that's what it is. So without further ado, let's open it. So we have a nice Saint Martin packaging here. Dum dum dum. Lots of paper wrap. And here it is. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Okay, this is. It's really impressive in the flesh. So yeah, it's the vintage diver GMT master diving free. Wow, that's a mouthful. And it says GMT master, which is I find funny actually. It's a little quirky, so I actually like it. They actually have a new version which just says GMT without the master, because I guess they could get in trouble for it. But yeah, that's the watch. I really like it. It's a quirky little purchase. You know, I could wear it sometimes and just have fun with it, not taking it too seriously. You know, some people are snobs regarding Saint Martin's homages, and you know, I just think it's a fun little watch, and the quality on these watches is usually very good. I've had one, and my friends, my watch hobby friends, swear by Saint Martin. They really like it, and I know that they really make very good high quality watches. Really, they have QC, they have everything. So wow. Let's see the bezel. The bezel is unidirectional, which is not how it's supposed to be in a GMT watch, but I mean you can ask for only that much. Nice bezel action. We have the signed crown here, with I guess the Saint Martin logo. And let's wind it. Okay, this is the GMT. So yeah, there it is. You can see that there is the one of the old Saint Martin logos. They changed their logo quite a few times, and it appears in different ways on different watches. So this is the one of the older logos. Actually, I really like it. It has that nice vintage flair to it. So the watch is supposed to be 40 millimeters. I don't have calipers here to measure, but I'm pretty convinced that that is the dimensions, more or less. It has a I don't remember the name of the movement, but it's a GMT movement, not a true traveler's GMT movement. There's some something about that, yeah, but I mean the GMT hand does move independently, so it only moves in one direction. There's also a ghost date. Yeah, what else? The movement hacks, of course. And you have those far indices, far vintage indices, which I like. The clasp is unsigned. Milled clasp. Let's see how it wears on the wrist. Yeah, it wears pretty well. I have to add another link, I think, but it's pretty good. Yeah. Well, that's it. I don't have much else to talk about. It's a really cool little watch. I hope that I will wear it enough to justify the purchase, because I've got other new nice watches like the Black Bay 58 here. But well, I'm happy that I bought it. So I haven't seen that there are many videos about this watch on YouTube. So if you have any questions or requests, anything that you wanna ask, maybe for me to do a video about, then feel free and let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.